Hello and welcome to Making Real Estate a Ball. I'm Greg Ball, broker owner, and we are shooting today from our Lakefield head office. With me today,
Dominic, broker of record with Ball Real Estate. Greg, one of the first things we get asked, or one of the most common questions we get asked is, what do we do? What's the first thing we need to do when we want to buy or sell a home?
well, besides calling a realtor, is your mortgage specialist. That is the next most important process in the transaction. And with us today, Doug Fairbairn, John Helliker, mortgage specialist from TD Canada. Gentlemen.
Well, thanks for having us, gentlemen.
Thanks for having us, guys.
Here.
So yes, thanks, Greg. So one of the first steps in the process definitely is sitting down with your mortgage professional, figuring out the details of the existing mortgage and how we're going to handle that. So one of the things that could come up is a penalty on your existing mortgage, or is your mortgage portable or movable from one property to another? So that's definitely what we would do initially. From there, then we would move through how much equity we have, and then we could look at a real pre-approval and qualify the customer so they can shop within a good budget.
Exactly, John. And a pre-approval is hugely important in the process, making sure that we've looked at proper income, whether you're self-employed or employed, credit history, which is very important to the banks, and down payment. To making sure that you're going to meet all the criteria within the banking as well.
Mm-hmm. So that's really when you're talking about, because we get asked, what is a pre-approval? That's really what we're saying. It's not simply just getting a few numbers to the bank. It's about actually getting the details there and getting a whole process done.
Exactly, and then that way, and John and I always say, then they can shop with confidence at that point.
Sometimes I refer to as proving to us what we already know. It's not a real pre-approval till it's in writing.
And how would somebody know if there's going to be a penalty or something on their mortgage? How do you find that out?
So really, you need to speak to the mortgage professional that you worked with originally to set up the current mortgage you have.
Okay, because that's one of the key critical things that we need to obviously make sure that people are aware of. So, with that, thank you guys. Thanks for coming along today.
Thanks for having us.
Thanks for having us, guys.
It's
Pleasure.
wonderful to have you around. So again, thank you for visiting us at Make Real Estate a Ball. Next week we'll have more real estate tips. Thanks again.
Make Real Estate a Ball is brought to you by Ball Real Estate Inc. Brokerage, building achievable luxury lifestyles within Peterborough and the Kawarthas.